Make a great choice today with the 2018 Soul. The Soul is quick and ready with its innovative, catchy style, a sharp, roomy, and well-fitted cabin, and a comprehensive list of safety and fun features, and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, alloy wheels, rear spoiler, brake assist, fog lights, four-wheel disc brakes, front wheel independent suspension, heated steering wheel, heated front seats, tachometer. Come take a test drive today.